Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is a great day because my MAYKR bags arrived, which is why we are currently in my garage. Apologies for the crap lighting, but my bag shipment finally arrived. So today we are going to be going through all the boxes, checking all the stock for quality, because that's what I do. I go through every single box, every single bag, and make sure everything is as it should be. I then add all the yarn guides into each bag individually by hand. Yes, very time consuming, but the place where I get my bags made don't do the yarn guide portion of the bag, so I have to get them manufactured from a different factory, and then I have to put them into the bags myself. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Quality control, we're going to check the numbers and make sure everything that I ordered is there. So let's do it. One box down, only 8 more to go. Alright, I am finished with all of the boxes. I've gone through all of these and added in the yarn guides. Now what I'm doing is I have this box that they sent me which is full of bags, but the only difference with these ones are they are faulty. And when I say faulty, they still have everything, they're still exactly the same, they have all the pieces, but the only difference is this was placed at the front of the bag instead of at the back. So I wasn't happy with that and I refused to sell them like that because I don't like the look of it at the front. So that is the only thing that's wrong with them. So I think I will have a second sale and maybe sell these ones at half price or something, just so they're not going to waste, because as I said, they are still completely fine and they have everything that the other bags have. The only difference is that button where the yarn guide attachment is on the front of the bag, and I just wasn't happy with it. All right, so I have finished going through all the bags. They all have their yarn guides, all the pieces are in there, the quality is good. Next step is to start packing orders. Alright guys, that is a wrap for today anyway. I have officially packed all the remaining pre-orders, so they are all ready to go out on Monday. I am now going to take some photos and work on the website, or work on setting the website up for the second sale, which I'm going to have for the bags that have the design error. So yeah, now I'm gonna go do that. Hey guys, so it is now Sunday, it's the next day. This morning I launched our second sale on our website, which is pretty much already sold out. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm just packing all those orders. I have already made a start. So these orders here are a mixture of the second sale and the outstanding pre-orders. They are all sorted into their piles. So we've got some that need to go to Australia Post, some that go to Fastway, the courier, some that go to Couriers Please, and then we've got our international orders. The reason we use so many different carriers is because we use Sendle for a lot of our parcels, and that is purely because I find them so much more reliable and so much faster than Australia Post. In some cases, we don't have a choice but to use Australia Post, and that is if, you know, someone's address is a PO box or something. Sendle don't deliver to PO boxes. So in those cases, we do have to use Australia Post, but we try and avoid them at all costs, because if you're in Australia and you have dealt with Australia Post before, you know what I'm talking about. They are horrible. So we try and avoid them at all costs. Sendle is so fast and so reliable. Their tracking is amazing. They come and pick up from your home, in my case my home, or your business for no extra charge. So they are absolutely amazing. I cannot recommend Sendle enough. So when you are checking out on the MAYKR website, if you do have the option to go with Sendle, by all means, please do it, because they are so much better than Australia Post. I hate Australia Post with a passion, so I try not to use them if I can help it. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. We're just going to finish off. Just got a little batch here of orders that I have to pack for our second sale, and then pretty much done for the day. Well guys, that is a wrap for today. I've just finished packing all the second sale orders. We sold out, which was amazing. Here are all the orders, and they'll be going out tomorrow. So, what a good feeling. So it is now Monday. I've been hanging out at home all day. Not that I can go anywhere anyway because we're in lockdown. But I've been hanging out all day just waiting for Sendle to come and pick up all the parcels that are going out with Sendle, which they have. So every single Sendle parcel has been picked up. I'm now just going to the post office to drop off a handful of orders that are going with Australia Post. So once these are dropped off, every single order will officially be out to you guys. I cannot wait for you to receive these bags, especially those of you who have been waiting a really, really long time. Again, I thank you for your patience, but hopefully the wait will be worth it and you will absolutely love your new MAYKR bags. Well, that's it guys. All the parcels have officially been sent out. Again, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has ordered over the past few months, or if you did order in the second sale yesterday. I really, really appreciate it. I can't wait to see you guys all enjoying your MAYKR bags. Don't forget to tag maykr.store on Instagram if you do upload any pictures. You can also find us on Facebook. So make sure to tag us because I want to see you enjoying your bags. You've waited a long time and I've waited a long time to see you guys enjoying them. So I really want to see what you guys get up to with your bags. So please don't forget to tag maykr.store on Instagram and Facebook, or you can tag kate.polizzi_ on Instagram as well. Anyway, guys, that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you did like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified of all my future videos. But I will see you next time. Until then, stay safe, be kind, and have a great rest of your day. Or probably night by the time I'm uploading this. Anyway, see you guys. Bye.